Okay. Hi. We have 4 short questions for section Blue 3.1. Let's start with number 6. It asks us to write an equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Okay, so first we must remember that the slope-intercept form is mx plus b. All right, so now let's take a look at what 6 looks like. This is the information they gave us. They told us that we have a coordinates of -3, 6 here, and 0, 0 here. And so therefore this is our line. Okay? All right. So there, with that in mind, we need to know where did we cross the x-axis or y-axis to determine our intercept. We crossed at 0, 0. So therefore our b for 6 is 0. Okay? Because our y is 0 when our line touched the y. Okay? Next, when we take a look at our slope, is what we need to find next. So we have our x, now we need to find our slope. So from this point to this point, let's travel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our rise is 6. Then our run, we ran to the left, which makes it negative. We ran 1, 2, 3, 6 over 3. All right, so now let's simplify. When we simplify, our y is equal to -6 over 3. We'll simplify to a -2x, and we do not have a y. We have a 0. So that is our equation for this line. Okay, let's move on to number 8. On number 8, we have a coordinates of 0, 1. Okay, and 4, -1. Here's 4, -1. Okay, and so therefore this is our line. Okay, so now what happened? Where did we cross our y? We crossed it at 1. So that is our intercept. Okay, there's our x. Now let's get our slope, our rise over our run. Let's start here. Our rise, 1, 2. Our run, we turn to the left from here and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And because we turn left, it's negative. Now let's simplify our equation. Let's simplify 2 over 4. We would have -1/2 plus 1. And that will be our equation for line 8. Okay, let's look at line 10. On line 10, we have -2, 4. -2, 4, which is here. And then on number 8, we have, number 10, sorry, we have 0, -1. 0, -1, which is here. Okay, so now when we connect these lines here, there we are. Okay, so let's take a look. First of all, we cross that -1. That's our intercept, our y-intercept. Now let's get our rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And our run, once we get to 5, 1, 2 over 2. Okay. And we move to the left. Okay. So then therefore, let's simplify this. Okay. We have a -1 for our intercept. And our slope is 5 halves, -5 halves x minus 1, and that's what our y is equal to. Okay? All right. And then number 12. Number 12 is a word problem. It says a boa constrictor is 18 inches long at birth. At birth. Okay? That's our first statement. And grows 8 inches per year. So it's plus 8 inches per year. Okay? All right. So our boa constrictor is 18 inches long at birth and grows 8 inches per year. Write an equation that represents the length y in feet of a boa constrictor that is X years old. So, using the same concept, okay, we are going to find out when it crosses the y-axis. So first of all, at birth it's 18 inches and they want it to be in inches or in feet. So that is 18 over 12. This is inches, and this is how many of these inches we have. We have 18 of them. Well, let's simplify that. What does that look like? Well, if we divide by 6, it looks like 3/4. Nope, looks like 3/2, sorry. When we divide by 6 to simplify, it looks like 3/2, okay? That's what it is at birth. So that means when it is 0 years old, it is 3/2. So let's take a look. When it is 0 years old, it is 3/2, which equates to 1.5. There we are. That is our what? You guessed it, our y-intercept, okay? So 3/2 is our y-intercept, okay? And therefore, let's move on from there. It's not negative, it's positive, so we have a plus there. So now, on the first year, or in a year, it grows at 8 inches, okay? Any year, whether it's the first year, second year, third year, that's X. All right, it grows 8 inches. Well, they want it in inches, so that is 8 over 12. Are you with me? So then 8 over 12, let's simplify that by 4. And what do we get? We get 2/3, okay? So it's plus 2/3, and therefore that is our y, that's our slope. That's how it changes from year to year. And this is where it started, okay? And that is our equation, okay? So that does it for number 12, okay? And see you in the morning. Bye.